After the preparation, I need to demonstrate it further using burette and pipette, and I have here my starch. First one you actually watch has no starch. I was using that to test if it is possible that I can make use of 50, that is from this 0 point, till here, because some people might be having problem, although some people will be doing ojoro in their work, but here I just want to demonstrate what we are going to see in the exam. I'm going to fill this thing up to 0 mark. Okay, it is only me here, and I urge you just to watch me as I fill this. I'm trying to make some portion of this. Remember, this is from the iodine that I have actually created. Though some people say that they should heat it, which I know that you are not actually advised to heat the iodine. I know how difficult it might lead you, I know how difficult it might be for you to get this solution to this point. Okay. This one is B. This is our A and this is our B. Okay, this is our A, this is our B. Yeah, despite the water that is here, please. There's no water here. Even that the other one, I actually used it because I use it, but please, it does not signify water. Okay, I am to fill this up to the brim with I remove the funnel so that it will not add more readings to it. Okay, and this is approximately at 0 level. Approximately at 0 level. Approximately at 0 level. Approximately at the mark. Approximately. You know why I'm using the word approximately? Because this is practical. Practical will not be all perfect. Okay. Put it over here. There's no need of adding the starch solution immediately. There's no need of adding it because we don't have any of the iodine solution. The concentration is 0. At least when we start to have some concentration, we can add this. Okay, let's go with the titration. I want to climb up this in a little bit. Okay, I can drop this for myself, and I can actually push this. Okay. 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 Now let's start the titration. Now I can add this thing. Let's see. See the color start to change. The color starts to change. Okay, and from this angle, you can see that it is towards 43.8. 43.8. Let me make it clearer for you. 43.8. 43. That is what I have here. 3 points. I'm sorry, this is 43.9. And you remember that when I did it, I did not even notice that this thing would turn very, very quick. Therefore, I need to do it again so that I can get a better endpoint. Let me just add up this thing to 0 again and do it again. Okay, from here, let's do the titration the second time. I'm removing this. Okay, let's go with better. And if you notice that that is 43.9, then we need to try to see that at 40 I will be very, very careful. From 40 I will be very, very. Okay, I add my. Okay. Okay, this is the one I'm going to take as my end point because I'm going to be very, very careful for this. Okay, we go. This is occurring at 43.4. 43.4. Look at it. 43. Okay, and I am going to take my endpoint from this. Okay, this shows that I'm having 42. Okay, I'm having 43.2. I want you to look at it. 43.1. Okay, 43.1. Okay, therefore I will choose this one rather than the other one because of there is no empty because there is no much of the iodine inside here. That is why I'm going to use as I'm using 43.1 centimeter cube as my end point. Don't forget to watch my other video that has to do with the possible calculations. This is just the preparation of the acid and the end point. You can watch other videos that has to do with the possible question you might see on your practical day, and it's very, very important you do so. Thank you very much for watching this video to this extent, and don't forget to subscribe. Click the link. I do other videos on normal chemistry teachings. Listen, don't rely on expos. Expos are not that important. What is important is put the knowledge in your head and make use of it in later days, because if I have worked with expos, I can't be proud to come over here to demonstrate this for you. Please, you can follow my link, my notification bell, click there and share my links to others for others to come and learn chemistry, and let's have a better African in future in science. Thank you very much.